Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Minaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Windows Defender and keeps prompting you for actions recommended. So generally this will have to do with Windows updates. So if there are any updates have to be installed, go ahead and install them, and you may have to restart your computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay ganahan mo lang i-type yung Windows Security, and then click mo lang dito yung open. Okay, so dito sa Windows Security, and then dito sa home, dito lang sa security at a glance, so makikita mo dito yung tinatawag na actions recommended warning. So isa na rin dito yung account protections, pangalawa yung apps and browser control. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin dito, so kailangan mo lang itap tong account protections, and so kailangan lang natin ipalo kung ano yung dapat natin gawin dito, especially dito sa dynamic lock mga kaibigan, sa third devices. Alright, so same naman dito sa kanyang apps and browser control. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan mo lang itap tong app and browser control, and then kailangan lang natin itong i-turn on. So turn on lang po yan, and then if you receive account control, so click mo lang tong yes. Ayan, so ibig sabihin na solve na yung problems dito mga kaibigan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix actions recommended warning in Windows Defender. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.